And on to pipe dreams! Cause pipers... I fucking ruined that joke. These guys say plumbers don't just jump down pipes willy-nilly, so we have to do it. But god damn it. I was about to say, I haven't done a Mario game in a long time, but my last 2 LPs were both Mario games. Please free them. No. I will not free. For freedom! These ones are smart. They know you're trying to save them. And they'll also commit suicide if they happen to. Be stupid. Yeah, there we go. Whee! I'm getting an army here. An army here. How do they get up here? Dang! Yeah, at least I don't have to worry about them dying. Probably this is gonna go up or down. Oh, look who was right. And the running. Oh, what? Guys, you went on a different pipe than me. Okay, they were supposed to. Ew, God, I couldn't imagine trying to bring me through here. Oh, I'm supposed to be on top of that. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, I survived. I survived! We're all fine now. God! Okay. Oh, I can't! Oh, my ass has been burned to a crisp. Am I in the pipe? Okay. I'm gonna be confused on how the hell I got in it. Beep, 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 beep. It's gonna go in there, isn't it? Oh, they're outside. And more to save. I still don't know what the pins do exactly. If someone would enlighten me, that would be great. Detained? Oh, denied. I'm like, well, that does kind of make sense, but it's kind of gruesome. That's electrified, isn't it? Yep. Yes, it is. Okay, so that bridge has to do something. I can't pick them up. Damn it. Oh. Pff. Wow. Oh, I killed him. And here we go, up the pipe, all you robots of sackiness. Don't know if that's what they're called, but that's what I call them. I like these lights. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, boing, damn it! I suck at this apparently. Okay, get on here. Oh my god. Okay, I know what I'm trying to do. What I'm trying to do is on those light blue platforms not be there. Oh, I shouldn't have gone. Alright. Okay then. Oh my. Appreciate if I could actually do this. Okay. How do I get around that? It's on fire. Okay, one more try, then I'm cutting. Go. Go. Oh, it's not completely on fire? Oh. Wait, I thought you created the factory. How could something have been here before you? Gee, that was a hard puzzle. How did I ever figure that out? Oh, God. At least this one's not moving. Oh, my God. Yay, one of these moments where, like, everything starts moving around automatically. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 9. Aw, one off of getting that prize. Darn. Which wins me a secretary dress, glasses, and a Limehouse Blues music. Oh my God. See, I'm getting less and less stuff. This game just has a ton of stuff in it. I wonder who has the highest score. Like, seriously, I wonder who does. Okay, probably I'll do this SpiderMan level there. And then next episode I'll do the last one in the boss level. See, this series is just going by super quick. Security systems. And... oh shit! At least I made it first try. What's the point of this chair? Oh, it's a bomb, it's a bomb, it's a bomb. Like, why do I want a fucking cherry? Well, because it's not a cherry. Oh shit! Right, it's one of these levels where you have to blow shit up. And get singed in the... how do you get that? Oh, yeah. Get singed in the process! I don't know why I'm bringing a bomb. This is a terrible idea. I'm sure. Yikes! Yeah! I'm just sort of holding R1. Okay, just... boom! Go, 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 in! Sack boy! That was so because I had a bomb. Lol. Lol, it's singed. Oh, okay. That thing's gonna blow it up if it touches. So I have to be smart about my moves, and that wasn't smart. Go there, in here, here is Sack boy! Why were you not responding? Is it too early? Okay, I guess it was too early. Yay, it worked, it worked, it worked. What's the next? Oh god. Bombs. Why am I swinging? Don't touch, don't touch. Ew. These look like Lego hands. Oh! Fuck. Okay, don't jump. Just grab. Oh, that's probably why, because I'm gonna go a lot slower. So it's right here, just go, go, go! Not fall down the hole. Oh my! This is a very long distance. Fall, go down. Okay, at least I activated it this time, man. Just gear, yay! Oh my god. Broke one, go down! Yeah, as I said before, I don't give a fuck about collectibles. What? No! Damn it! Kill that! Don't kill it! I don't care if those are immune to it. Dude. Lol, I broke your infrastructure! These things are really annoying! Go. Oh, part 2. Like how it looks like zippers opening. That's probably because that's what it is. Zippers opening. Why do I care where Clive is? Why can't you do shit? They're kind of locked in a... You're an idiot. So they're half hypnotized, half in love? The love box. Yeah, they fall in love with that shit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm dead. No, we're not. Yeah, this is apparently how you deal with things that are half living, half dead. Or, ow! Half hypnotized, half not hypnotized. This is gonna be really annoying to get them on. Wow! Just wow. There we go. Is there a way to turn the electricity off? Yes. Oh. Hey, sack boy! I'm assuming it just stops rotating. Yeah, the electricity's still on. So this is a very annoying level mechanic. I wish they would just listen. And it's like, whoa, nope, 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 nope. And... Really? That was kind of stupid. Whoop. Yay, and I made it. Yeah, I succeed at life. I probably would have died if I stayed on that. Just saying. Oh my god, offline, no. I kind of wish there's a way to not have that. I don't know if there is. I really don't feel like dealing with it if there is. Okay then. I got a score challenge. Okay, there we go. Good God. I am surprised I did that. How are these things attracted that far away? Oh, don't step on the switch. These guys are hounds. Oh, Lord. Wow. Okay, then. Right when one got to me, the other was right there. It's like, that's nice. That's nice of you, game. But I don't respect that. I don't know what these X's. Does it mean that if you had a power-up, it's taking them away? Or does it mean those things, the sackbots can't get by them? Because the sackbots don't seem to have a problem if that's it. Get off! The bouncy pad. The controls, well, it's really cool. See, really do have problems. I like how they just stopped. It's like, nope, not worth it. And I actually have to control this, so that's a difference. Slow down. Just out. Holy sh. Okay. That would have been really annoying if it didn't. Go. This is a very annoying sound I'm making. Ow. Okay, thank you for activating that. Ah! That was very not nice. Ah! I don't know what's about it, but the jump doesn't seem very responsive sometimes. And no, I was not blaming the jump on that one, I was blaming it on the one where I just didn't make the jump. Oh my god, I keep doing that! Okay. I'm fine. I don't even know. Oh shit, don't stay! I don't even know where the sack bots are. Yo! 10! I got this, and I got this, and I got these! Level complete! Dean shoes, mural hat, and victory. Look how they're half in that caution thing, half in the love thing. I don't know. It's weird. But anyway, I will see you guys next time. See you guys then.